Association homeowners have the right to be informed about the community's finances and rules before they buy a home. You have the duty to ask the seller of the home for this information, which the law requires him to give you. You have the right to participate in the community's governance by voting in elections, by voting on amendments to the governing documents, and by petitioning for special meetings to allow members to vote on other topics of concern. You have the duty to keep informed of your association's activities and to donate your services as needed to help run your association. You have the right to effective service and proper maintenance of association property. You have the duty to pay your assessments in full and on time. You have the right to know what your board of directors is doing by attending its meetings and inspecting the documents and financial records of your association. You have the duty to learn the reasons for what the board does before you criticize it. You have the right to the protections and privileges given to all members by the association documents. You have the duty to read and understand your association's documents and to obey its rules. You have the right to make changes to your property and unit. You have the duty to apply for and obtain the association's permission for any changes you wish to make before you make them. You have the right to fair treatment if the association charges you with a violation of the rules. You have the duty to respond to your association in good faith, to try to cooperate with it in resolving the dispute. You have the right to privacy consistent with the law and the reasonable rules of your association. You have the duty to respect your neighbor's privacy and to not create any nuisances for them. You have the right to be treated with respect by your neighbors, your board of directors, and your managers. You have the duty to treat these people with respect. You have the right to complain to the CCOC or the courts if your association violates its rules or the laws. You have the duty to notify the association of your concerns and give it the chance to resolve them before you take the dispute to court.